Hello mga lang guys! Welcome back to this YouTube channel, your friendly neighborhood in the world of science. Today, we're going to follow the amazing journey of sunlight. Have you ever wondered what happens to sunlight before it reaches Earth? Does it just travel straight from the sun and land here like a Shopee delivery? Not exactly. Before sunlight reaches us, it passes through Earth's atmosphere, where it can be reflected, absorbed, or scattered. So today, let's go! Let's follow the incredible journey of sunlight as it travels to Earth's atmosphere. The sun sends energy called solar radiation. It travels about 150 million kilometers to reach Earth. But not all sunlight reaches the ground. Scientists estimate that about 30% of sunlight is reflected back to space. Around 20% is absorbed by the atmosphere, and about 50% is absorbed by Earth's surface. So, sunlight is basically Earth's main energy source. First up, the exosphere, the outermost layer of the atmosphere. The air here is extremely thin, so sunlight mostly passes straight through. Next is the thermosphere. Here, some powerful solar radiation is absorbed by gases. Absorption happens when energy is taken in instead of bouncing away. Think of sponge absorbing water. In real life, when you wear a black shirt under the sun and it gets hot, that's absorption. Sunlight then passes through the mesosphere. The air here is very thin, but this is where meteoroids burn up when they enter Earth's atmosphere. Those bright streaks we see in the sky called shooting stars usually happen here. So yes, that shooting star you wished on was actually a tiny space rock burning up in the mesosphere. Next comes the stratosphere, home of the ozone layer. The ozone layer absorbs harmful ultraviolet radiation from the sun, protecting life on Earth. Think of it as Earth's sunscreen. Without it, we'd probably need 10,000 SPF just to go outside. Finally, sunlight reaches the troposphere, the layer where we live. This is where the main interactions with sunlight happens. Sunlight can be reflected, absorbed, or scattered. Reflection happens when light bounces off a surface. Imagine throwing a ball at a wall. It hits the wall and bounces back. Light behaves the same way. Sunlight reflects from clouds, oceans, and snow, sending about 30% of solar radiation back into space. Clouds are basically Earth's giant mirrors. Absorption happens when objects take in sunlight and turn it into heat. About 50% of sunlight is absorbed by Earth's surface. That's why road gets hot, sun burns your feet, and your parked car suddenly feels like an oven at noon. Now let's talk about scattering. Scattering happens when sunlight hits tiny particles in the air and spreads in many directions. Imagine this ball at a party. When light hits the mirrors, the light spreads everywhere. The atmosphere works almost the same way. When sunlight hits air molecule and dust, the light spreads out. Because blue light scatters more easily, the sky appears blue during the day. And during sunset, we see beautiful red and orange skies. Nature is basically doing free sky painting every day. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember, every ray of sunlight has traveled 150 million kilometers, passed through 5 layers of the atmosphere, and experienced reflection, absorption, and scattering just to reach the Earth. And without this amazing journey, our planet would not be the beautiful, life-supporting world we call home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next science adventure!